Hi, I'm Vanessa Dyer from Vanessa's Place in McMinnville, Tennessee with the Sunlights Artisan team. Welcome to Tips and Tricks Tuesday. Today I will be demonstrating the minking technique. As you can see, I have already applied my base color to my client. I've gone in took a horseshoe section from the top, clipped it away. I've added a few brochet pieces along with my bolly wrap. Now let's get to the minking technique. Take my comb, the fine tooth end, comb this center section up, and then tease. The minking technique is great for anyone with short to medium length hair that just wants to add a blended ombre effect. Next, once I get my section teased, I'll take my paddle and my loader brush and begin to add lightener to the ends in a diffused manner. Making sure to saturate both sides of the teased mohawk section. Once I have my saturation to my liking, I'll take a piece of bolly wrap. I'm going to use this as a cushion and lightly lay that section over. Take another bolly wrap and cover that section. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure you tune in next week for another Tips and Tricks Tuesday.